Hi, Jacob.Boyd here at Guaranty Super Centers in Junction City. I'm here today to talk to you about this 2017 Mini Lite Rockwood 1905. It's a really neat little trailer, offers quite a bit of sleeping space and quite a bit of versatility inside. So I'm going to actually head straight inside to show you all the things that make this trade-in a really great buy and a really great find. Right off the bat, you may be asking, hey, where's the bed? But not to worry. They have a Murphy's bed system here. The cool thing about Murphy's bed systems is that they're really easy to manipulate, especially in this design. And they're making sure that essentially something that you're only going to be using for a third of the day isn't taking up a third of your trailer 100% of the time. A really easy manipulation with this guy, and these pins are making it so that it's not going to come down at any point in time other than when you want it to. Boom. And you have your bed right there. You're not skimping out on actually having table space on either side, plus your wardrobes on either side of the bed. You have your plug-ins right next to the bed for your CPAP machines or any kind of charging you may want to have at hand. Now, some of the things that you're actually facing while you're in the bed or when that couch is actually going to be jackknifed up, you have your entire control panel right next to the door, super easy and accessible, plus your television, and the entertainment center, CD, DVD player as well. And this space goes directly into the kitchen, a 3-burner stove, smart design here with actually the cover that folds back and acts as its own backsplash, your oven and your microwave up top. And right next to that, we have our refrigerator. Really good size refrigerator for something for a trailer of this size. And one of the things with this trailer, Murphy's bed plus actually extra sleepers as well. You have a single bed up top, and that actually bed goes up out of the way as well, pins into the wall, and you're set to actually use this as your dining space. And this dining space as well can be converted into another sleeping area. The table is not bolted down, so you actually have a little bit more versatility with moving this table inside, outside, and actually using it to where you would want to have use of it. In the bathroom, off the rear, uses up the entire space, which is really neat. It's a little bit of a rarity to be able to stick your arms out in both directions and not touch any wall. So you can actually shower off, bathe here, and then dry off without throwing elbows at the walls. Plus you have a window in the bathroom, which is a little bit of a rarity too, and quite a bit of storage space for towels or any kind of accoutrements you need in the bathroom. And the bathroom is actually outfitted with a fantastic fan, so it's actually moving a lot of the air through and making sure the ventilation is going to keep any kind of moisture from accumulating inside. Also has a tub, really great for bathing little kids and whatnot. And so if you have any more questions about this Rockwood Mini Lite, feel free to stop by Junction City Lot or give me a call. My name is Jake, 773-655-7190.